Hey guys, it's Rick, Elijah Tooling. Give me 2. I'll make it worth your while. Okay, so today I'm standing in front of a CNC vertical Haas mill. But I've also got this interesting contraption in front of me that you might be curious about. This is a game that we play at my house. And the thing that's so exciting about this game is that it never is played the same. These cards define your actions. So there are literally hundreds of these different cards. And so when you add it all up, there's like millions of variables that play a role in playing this game. And as I was thinking about it, it really makes for an unpredictable end. You know, whoever wins, we don't know. But if we think about it in terms of business, of manufacturing, this is not the kind of game you want to play, where there's gazillions of variables and you are not in control of all of them. So the outcome is never truly known by you. Well, that's why I'm here today, is to talk about our repeatable, precise, and rapid solution, our modular fixtures. So first, I'm just going to pick a few cards, just kind of as a little bit of a joke, but like this one's called the Bandit. You need a bandit entering your facility, causing you problems on your machine? Or how about this one, the Harbinger? What's hanging over your head? What thing that you didn't know about, didn't plan on? Or how about this guy, the bureaucrat? Uh-oh, how are we going to make him happy today? So when we think about manufacturing, we want to think about something that is standardized, something that's repeatable, something that your programmers, your machinist, everybody in your organization can depend on. So, as you know, we sell that type of modular fixture. I'm just gonna pivot here. We're gonna go over here for a second. And honestly, there's nothing special about this plate. We're machining it right now. But I wonder whether you know how it's being held. There's no clamps. There's no obstruction to it. And that's because the fasteners are holding it from the bottom. In case you don't believe me, not moving, right? That's because the fasteners hold it from the bottom. And we prevent obstructions from getting in the way of what we're doing. We're never going to run into our way of holding. This fixture specifically is meant to create a rapid, repeatable, and precise setup. Unlike that game that's never repeatable, and honestly, it's not very rapid either. It takes a long time. But the point is, you don't want to play this kind of game at your shop. You want to play this kind of game. Hey, thanks for your time. See you next time.